Welcome to the It's Not That Hard to Homeschool podcast, where homeschooling is made easy and enjoyable. Hey there, homeschool heroes. I'm Lisa Nearing, your host and fellow homeschooling adventurer. I'm thrilled to share tips and stories that will help you confidently, competently, and even contentedly navigate homeschooling. So let's jump in and make this journey a whole lot of fun.
Self-paced, no prep for you. It's the homeschool math curriculum I wish I'd started with sooner. Try it free today. Just head to ctcmath.com. That's ctcmath.com. You're going to breathe easier.
You know, I hear all the time parents say their kids are smart, their kids are gifted, but so many of them are still feeling unprepared for the real world. Even bright teens often struggle with confidence, not because they lack knowledge, but because they haven't had enough practice with real world skills. And honestly, they might not know what they know. Gaps in life skills, time management, and communication can leave students hesitant to take initiative, speak up, or make decisions independently. Again, we want our kids to leave our home with a sense of personal agency. And as we homeschool, we might not have enough of a community around our kids for them to really understand what they know and what they don't know. Homeschooling does offer flexibility, but without intentional guidance in specific areas, teens can often feel uncertain about their abilities. Now, that's not unique to homeschooling. It's unique to any educational paradigm, but we're talking about homeschooling and alternative ed, so I'm focusing on it. But we can integrate practical experiences and mentorship. We have the time and flexibility to do so. And we can help our kids turn knowledge into confidence, setting them up to thrive both academically and personally. What are 3 simple parenting steps you can do this week? Well, you could assign one small leadership task at home every week. Have your kids plan dinner, have them organize family chores or family fun night, or assign them to lead a discussion at the dinner table. You know, just doing simple tasks like that means that you're taking them seriously and it's helping your kids develop executive functioning skills. Encourage your kids to speak publicly at least once a month, even to family or friends. So phone a grandparent, or you could have just a weekly show and tell with other homeschool families. You could start a speech program or do dramatic activities. So helpful in getting those kids over that fear of public speaking and communication. You can set aside 30 minutes every week to reflect on what skills they use successfully and what challenged them. Again, after actioning, what did they learn? What did they enjoy? And what did they want to do next? At True North Academy, our teachers are more than just instructors, they're mentors. Our classes like speech and debate can really help give kids confidence in the real world. So I would just encourage you, enroll your kids in leadership and life skills courses, including speech, Toastmasters, things of that nature. It can really help grow their confidence because confidence grows in small, consistent steps. As parents, we want to cheer our kids on and let them know it's okay to stumble. And honestly, we all stumble, we all fail. The point of it all is just to keep standing, keep getting up, keep going forward, and honestly failing forward. I love that idea, failing forward, because if we have like breathed for more than a couple weeks on this earth, we have done something correctly, probably, right? So what's one skill your team can practice this week that will give them confidence?